How to change add to cart button text in Shopify. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can change the add to cart text in Shopify. So to do this, what you are simply going to be doing is you are going to go into your actions section, okay? And once you come into actions, you are going to either go to edit code or edit any type of theme default language, okay? So there's different default theme contents that you can edit for yourself. So in this case, we're simply going to write add to cart, okay? And normally it should find add to cart for you. So yeah, there we go. So here we have add to cart. So what you're going to do from here is just change it to whatever you want. So let's say I want to make it take the produce, like, something like that. So once we do this, click on save. And now once we've done that, let me show you how it looks. So I'm going to go to my store real quick just to give you an idea. Obviously, the changes are not immediate. It does take a few seconds, but yeah, there you go. Take the produce, change the add to cart button, and that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.